Oh, darkness, my friend, I came and talk of you again, because the visions of creepy, lest the Caesar fire sleeping, and the visions of the splendid in my brain, city man, within the sound of silence. He has to dream the walk alone, narrow street comes stone, left the head over the street loud. I tied my collar to the cold down. When my eyes were stuck, by the sun showing me your light. Sweet tonight, I heard the sound of silence. I end up making a writer song. These are the people, maybe more. People taking with a sleeping. People hearing with a honesty. People writing songs. Our voices never shake, and no one did disturb the sound of silence. Who say I you don't know? Silent like a gun blow. Here was a item I teach you. Take my item, I write you. I know my word right. Last silent like the Lord fell, and we echo in the well of silence. And the people are afraid to the legal and the pain, and the sight of pressure I worry in the world that eyes for me, and the science and the world try to separate from a separate world and turn them away.